Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this awesome 3D screen effect. Let's get started. So I've got this Google search clip that I'll be working with. Alright, let's head over to the Fusion page. Now let's open the search tool by pressing Ctrl plus space. In the search bar, type DVE, then click on Add to bring in the DVE node. With the DVE node selected, head over to the Inspector panel. You'll see a bunch of options to play around with, including position, rotation. What we're interested in right now is the Z-axis. First, I'll go to the Z move parameter and push the layer forward, basically zooming it in. Then, I'll adjust the clip position based on my preferences to frame it just right. Next, I'll head over to the rotation settings and start playing around with the X and Y angles. This adds a nice 3D tilt to the screen. Once you've positioned your clip the way you like, add keyframes for the center, Z move, and both X and Y rotation. Next, I'm going to drag the playhead forward on the timeline to where I want the animation to end. Now, I'll reposition the clip so that the Google search bar is centered and clearly visible. Adjust the center X and Y values until the search bar is clearly visible in the frame. Then head over to the rotation settings and start adjusting the X and Y rotation to create that dynamic pan effect. This gives the movement a more cinematic and 3D look, like the screen is slightly tilting toward you as it zooms in. It might take a bit of fine-tuning, so feel free to play around until it looks just right. Once that's done, let's smooth out the animation. Head over to the spline editor, select the DVE node and click Fit to Zoom. Then press Ctrl plus A to select all the keyframes and hit S to smooth them out. This makes the motion look clean and professional. And that's it.